This guide will show you how to update a single workspace installation of OmniWin to a newer release of the same year. Currently, we are running OmniWin 2025 release number 1.0371, and we have the installer for OmniWin 2025 release number 1.0380, so we are able to upgrade. You can get the installers from our applications department at applications@messer-cutting.com. Once you have the installer, go to File, Change Database, and you can see we are connected to a local database. This means it's a single workspace installation. Open up the installation folder, go to Installation, and run the setup.exe file. Wait for the window to load and click the Upgrade button. Once it is complete, OmniWin is then upgraded. If you have any questions, contact our Applications Department for prompt service, 262-532-4689.